let's do that. Game state, create. Game timer equals 20. So you get 20 seconds. Then we have an alarm. And the alarm fires every 60 frames per second this game. So we say 60. Now let's just say player time minus equals 1. Count down the timer. There we go. So count down the timer. Then we'll draw text. Let's just say, I don't know. How wide is the screen? The screen is 640. So what's 640? 320 minus string width divided by 2. We'll just say string player time, and then y is going to be 10. No, what's wrong with that? Something's wrong with this. Oh yeah, that, and then y is going to be 10, and then the actual string is going to be player time. There we go. So that should draw the time centered on the screen. Draw. Oh no, we don't need to do that as well. And then for every coin that the player collides with, we just say player score other.score value. For now, I'll just say. Actually, I'll tell you what I'll do for the coins. I'll just add a time value. So we've got a score value and a coin value. Oh, we can use coin value. Coin value times 10. Times 10 will work, I think. So we say game state dot player time plus equals other dot coin value multiplied by 10. So bronze coins give you 10 seconds, silver coins give you 20 seconds. 1, 2, and then gold coins give you 40 seconds of extra time. And of course there's an error. Player time, I don't think I actually called it that. I think I called it something else. Game time, just call this player. There we go. Nope, still something wrong. What's wrong with that? Player timer. Oh, timer. Player time. There we go. Oh, fucking hell. Cannot operate on string type. What? Why not? Alright. Let's do it like this. We'll just say, timer equals string, player time. Say, I don't need to do that. I got this in the wrong place. Divided by 2. There we go. Okay, right. We've got 20 seconds. 29, 39. Whoops. I think that's too much. You know what? I'm gonna be real hardcore and just make this not even multiply by 10. Just like 1. Get 1 second for every coin. Nah, you need to have at least. Yeah, let's make it 3. The other thing I want to do is create a bigger font. Font game. I have a font on here that's game mana space. That's not it actually. There's another one. I think it begins with P. PC Senior, there it is. Size 40. Size 20. Let's just say 25. There we go.
Suddenly I think I'm on the phone.
Create.
Suddenly I think I'm telling a story, but I'm not.
And then we duplicate that.
Dancing.
Font debug. Make this 12. There we go. And then draw GUI, we say draw set font. Font debug. And then we do this one, we say draw set font. Font game. 320. Screen width is 320. What's half of 320? 160. That's looking better. Now, why isn't that working? String width divided by 2. That should put it in the center of the screen. Oh, because it's in draw GUI, isn't it? So it should be 320. Yeah, that was right. That should be centered, but it's not. Ah, because it's not 320, it's 640. Because it's 1280 by 720. There we go.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
Right, that gives us a timer now.
Rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat,
Now we need a countdown.
Rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
There we go.
Sleep, rave, repeat.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep.
Oh yeah, you're right. That this really adds kind of a sense of urgency to it.
Rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave, repeat, eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat. Eat, sleep, rave, repeat.
Still too easy. Way too easy. In that case, just make the game harder. That should do the trick. Make the game harder. Good old balancing, I suppose. Oh shit, yeah, that adds a real sense of urgency. Now those worm thing, what are they called, maggots, they make it really annoying because it's like, if you don't get coins, it's game over. And if you get hit, it's game over. You know what? I'm just maintaining my time basically. Hardly keeping it up. So I think since I can maintain my time, it's too easy. This needs to be plus random 1. How would I make this round? There we go. If I round that up and then make it negative. There we go. So if it's a bronze coin, you have the chance to like lose, to get nothing. I think that's how that works. Yeah, see, that bronze coin was worth nothing. So there's a 50% chance that a bronze coin is worth nothing now. Oh man, I'm evil. Once you get hit by those maggots, it's pretty much game over. Unless you stop moving, find a safe place and stop. But I'm technically cheating because I would have died by now. Anytime you get hit, you die. Yeah, okay, so I've died. I'm way dead. Way dead. Way dead. Oh fuck, the camera's stuck in that bug again where it just collides. Oh no, I was just being attacked. Right, final thing I'm going to do for tonight, then I'm going to have to call it, is I only want it to generate, to spawn things off of the screen. So what we do is we say, what do we do? How do we do that? Good question. Let's do that in spawn coin with defender. And spawn defender, I think I call these, I never actually directly call those, do I? No, I don't. Initiate room is fine, because that's initiating the room. But it's this one that we want to say, oh, I know how we can do this. I think what we'll say is pdist equals 0. We'll say while pdist is less than whatever our minimum range is, so I'm going to say 150. I want to generate a new one of these and then calculate the pdist to that. So pdist equals point distance coin spawn, object player dot x, object player dot y, and then we want the coin spawn positions x and y. So quick explanation how that works. If the player's distance is less than 150, it basically tries another point within the room, and then it calculates the distance to the player. Hopefully this time it's greater than 150. If it is, it exits this while loop, and then it should spawn the coin and the defender outside of the screen view. So let's go have a look. We shouldn't see anything spawning on our screen anymore. Oh shit, he spawned on our screen. Alright, let's make it bigger. 300. Let's try that out. I don't see anything spawning on my screen, so it should be pretty good. It's definitely getting harder, and I've lost the game now because my timer went down to 0. Yep. Simplicity, man. It's the best way. Until you ever want to do something more complicated with it, and then like 6 months down the track, your simplicity basically just screws you over. Oh man, I lost my time ages ago. I can barely maintain it. That means it's good, because that means if I can barely maintain my time, what I'm hoping is someone else can get better at the game through skill. If someone can physically get better at the game using skill and be able to increase their time, then I think the difficulty level is right. Because there's absolutely no way that I'm the best at the game. I'm sure there's someone out there with better reflexes than me. Significantly better reflexes than me. It gets really hard to know where you're supposed to go as well. I suppose the strategy for playing the game as well would be to hang around in one area. Because every time you take a coin away from that area, nothing can spawn in that screen because you can see it. I suppose. Yeah, KISS method of programming is awesome. It's really good for small stuff like this. If you make anything larger scale, then you really want to focus on a solid architecture. But for small mini games like this sort of stuff, this is arcadey, you know? And I don't think I have to worry about performance too much actually, because every time you get hit by a bullet, it's like game over. Well, it's not like game over, it is game over. So let me just re-enable my death. If you collide with a bullet, the game starts again. Let's have a look how long I can last without dying. If the timer runs out, or if I die. I'm playing the game for real this time. Fuck, they got me. Well, I'm quite happy I haven't actually died yet. That's... Oh, I died. Gravity Gaming. KISS is basically keep it simple, stupid. That's, it means just program things in a simple way. There's always a more complicated way to do it, and if you do it in the simplest way, it usually works well enough, and yeah, it's simple. You can read it later on. It's just a way of programming. It's a method of programming where you do things in a simple way. Oh my god, no! Oh man, this is really fun with it working. It's actually really fun. Right, what was I going to do real quick? I want to increase the size of the game font to 45. So the timer is just a bit more like in your face. Save my project before my computer crashes and I lose it. And I wanted to get rid of all this debug stuff. Don't need them anymore. And then move this guy back to 128, 128, was it? 1024, 1024. That's right. There we go. Move him back to the center. Let's give that another play test. Oh my god, intense! Fuck! Ah, I died! Thanks, Coxie. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll end up releasing this one. It's yeah, it's pretty fun. I might throw it on itch.io or something like that. I don't know. Like pay what you want, or I don't know. We'll see how far it gets. What was I gonna add? I wanted to add something. Shit, now I forgot what I wanted to add. I wanted to add in... Oh, that's right. I want to make it so they don't spawn so close to you. Init room, here we go. So I'm going to do the same thing I did up here. This little trick. And I'm just going to say, while less than 150. So they can spawn on your screen this time, but they won't be so close. There you go. See, so you got a good distance before anything comes near you. Oh, he got me. He got me. The bastard got me. Oh, he got me as well. Fuck. Hopefully he doesn't get me. Oh shit, he got me. Once one of them gets you, you're pretty much stuck in frozen state. Oh, I got the gold coin. Oh, fucking intense. Oh shit, oh, he got me. How you going, Mario? Yeah, I did. We've been making it. I think it's been about 3 days, maybe 2 days of development. Oh, this is freaking hardcore. All right, last playthrough. Let's do a quick run. Let's see how it goes. Oh, insane. You know what? Oh fuck! He got me. All right, I've got a wicked idea. I want to take those the slow spawning ones and put them to spawn next to gold coins. I think that'll be a good idea, because if they spawn rather than spawning on bronze coins, if they spawn near gold coins, it makes the gold coins way harder to get. How you going, Effin? Yeah, Mario, I'm Aussie. G'day, mate. Right, so where is my spawn defender function? Here it is. Object maggot, there we go. So there's definitely got to be a maggot around the gold coins. Survival Islands. That's the game you're thinking of. I kind of slowed development down on that one because I had some performance issues with the procedural generation. I really wanted to have it. Sorry, 1 second. I really wanted that game to have procedural generation, but it was way too slow in Game Maker because I had to have all the auto tiles and stuff because it was an island. Oh fuck! Yeah, it makes getting the gold coins way harder because there's potentially something that's gonna stick you or slow you down. So getting those bronze coins isn't so bad. But when you go for the gold coin and there's one of those bomb guys there, then yeah, that slows you right down. One other thing I want to do I have any more slime sprites? Let's have a look. What we got? We got a purple one. I reckon I'll put a purple one in the game as well. A purple one that doesn't move and a green one that does. I think that sounds like a good idea. Let's duplicate these. Sprite. Slime 2. Idle. Edit sprite. Create from strip. And I want the purple one this time. 4, 4, 16, 16. There we go, we'll center that. We don't need a run sprite because these ones aren't going to move. So let's duplicate the slime. Call this object slime static. Give it the idle slime. There he is. And this time we'll turn our isRoaming function to false, so he doesn't roam. There we go. Basically stops him from roaming. For anyone who's new to the chat room or the Twitch stream, by the way, we're listening to James Landino, DJ, makes really cool music, and yeah, he totally approved me to play this music in the background of this stream, so we're good to be listening to this. That's why I thought I'd give him a mention. If you like the songs, then yeah, check him out, because he's really cool. Also, we might have a live DJ in one of the streams on the weekend. I was talking to him, and we're basically thinking of making a dual stream where he'll be DJing, having a webcam, and I'll put his webcam on this stream, and then stream as I code the game, so we'll have a live DJ playing, which will be really cool. Yeah, so anyway, now I want to make this, if isRoaming, I don't need to worry about any of that. This is GML, Game Maker Language. Right, so now I want that to spawn when you spawn a defender. Object slime static. There we go. So silver. There we go. Okay, I think this will work. I want twice the chances of getting a 66% chance of a slime and 33% of a maggot plant. So now the way it works is bronze coins spawn static. Yeah, that is a static one, right? So yeah, the bronze coins will spawn a static slime. Sprite slime 2. To the top right. Yeah, I can do that. It's not a problem. As a matter of fact, I might even remove the branding stuff that I've got down here in this bottom area here, and put it over this side here, maybe. I don't know about top right. It looks a bit weird to have chat up there, I suppose. I don't know. I'm used to playing MMORPGs, so I like my stuff. I want like a hotkey bar down the bottom. Perth Mario. Here we go. So now bronze coins have got static slimes, so they don't move. The silver coin can have a static slime or a dynamic slime. And then the gold coins will have moving slimes and maggot spawners. Makes it easier to get the bronze coins, even though they're not worth that much. Hey, Lona, how you going? Alright, let's get this. Oh fuck, I shouldn't have run into the slimes. It's funny because the slime and the coin is actually about the same size, so you can run into the slimes. Do you have a follow notify? I don't know what that is, sorry. I'm fairly new to Twitch streaming, so. You can follow me on Twitter or YouTube because I put every time I stream I put a message up on Google Plus and Twitter.